So you're looking for digital marketing. You really want to launch some digital marketing stuff. You want to get into the business because you want to start getting paid daily. You've seen these different communities on, social medias like TikTok, and you're just wondering how does it go. So I'm gonna break it down. I'm gonna show you one of my favorite ones, why it's my favorite ones, and just a little bit of the back end. This is what I'm gonna do on this channel. Make sure you subscribe because you're gonna want to know this stuff. With digital marketing, buying the product and going through the product and doing the marketing for the product is actually the easiest part. It's one of the two things that become very difficult for some. It's picking what opportunity is the best, where should they put their money at, and the back end, setting up, the website. So this product is called the legacy product, well the digital growth product, but they have the legacy builders, the passive daily blueprint, digital mastery, launchpad. This product's 100, 300, 600, up to 900. A lot of people go with the 900 because we do payment plans, but most importantly, it gives you everything. It shows you how to create your own product, your own community, find your ideal customer, how to set up your automated system, how to go live, every social media just about, and all those intricacies around brand, around just really speaking to the person you want to talk to, which is big in marketing in general. And they're able to sell all four of these products. On the back end, when you purchase that product, whichever one you do, whether it's a payment plan or you buy it outright, you're going to purchase a few more things. So you're going to purchase your $29 sales page. You can make this sales page, if you know how to build sales pages, you can make it yourself, but a lot of people don't. So you're going to purchase this $29 sales page, which you can edit it. You see, I actually added a video and I added a chat bot just because that's how I know how to do that. But you're going to get this nice sales page that you're going to add your story to and your pictures to. And this is what's going to do all the selling for you. And this is what's going to connect everything. And on the back end, you're going to have a www dot. So if we come here and we type in www.mark.com, for example, this is where people are going to go to get the information on your business. And they're going to show you how to set up a professional email for people to email you. But most importantly, it's connected to your system. So all your emails go to the inbox when you're sending out your automated follow-ups, which we give those to you as well. So you have the product you purchase, you have this portion, and you have the website. So like I said, the website's $29, the product's anywhere from $100 to $900. We do payment plans on that part. And this domain and email service is $40 a year. And that's the hard part. That's literally the hard part about business, is setting it all up. But what's so amazing is we have that in our training. That's literally the first step that you're going to go through. There's easier ways to set it up. Some people don't even use an automated system like this in this shape or fashion where they need all those bells and whistles. But this is how this program shows you how to do it, and it's pretty neat. You're going to go see my own customized, website and system that I know how to build systems. And we can hook you up with some other different tools as well on the back end. But I just want you guys to know that price. Customers, I'm not saying you're going to be guaranteed customers instantly, but this is not the hard part. Posting these reels is actually the fun part. Because all you're doing is looking for a specific person, overworked person, burnt out person. Maybe you're in the office, you do administration, or you're CEO, COO, and you just want something on the side, or you eventually just want to go in business for yourself. You're going to be targeting those people, and we're going to show you exactly how you target those people, and this is going to be your message. And whether you're speaking in the videos or you're not speaking in the videos, and if we scroll through, you'll probably see some like that. Like, let's look, for example, see if it actually lets me. See, she's not speaking she's showing her face. Some people you don't have to show your face. You can talk. And like I said, this is the easy part, and we'll show you how to do this on all platforms, guys. So this is your vehicle to whatever income goal that you have in mind, whether it's a new house, side income, helping your family out, upgrading your health because you need resources. This is where this comes. So whether you have something, for the next 90 days and you're not really able to run this 2-hour workday, it's still going to be there. That's what I love, is you still can just come right in here, click your link, and start your business right back up and have a way to earn anywhere from $100 to $900 per client, from social media, because there's going to be millions of people searching for ways to make money online. You just have to put your offer in front of them, guys. And this is, digital marketing summed up. I'm going to be bringing different opportunities, different products, different passive income stuff, residual stuff where you get paid weekly, or maybe you get paid once a month, but it's a side income, very specific, and other ways that I'm make my money online, guys. And welcome. This is my faceless channel. You're gonna hear my voice, but it's my faceless channel, and I want to even show you guys you can do YouTube without showing your face. So hopefully you enjoy this video.